Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Teaching Foxy. In our previous videos, we touched upon various points for travelers, beginners who are first-time flyers or who need information about travel guidelines. In this video, we're going to talk about a very important aspect of a travel, missing baggage or damaged baggage. Before we go any forward, I request you all to press the bell icon and subscribe to my video, which will help me, which will encourage me and motivate me to post more such informative videos, which will help beginners know more about travel and travel guidelines. So, what is the definition of a missing baggage? First, let's talk about a missing baggage. Missing baggage. This term is used when a passenger who has checked in a baggage at the check-in time and on arrival at the destination that baggage is not received and airline is not able to hand over the baggage to the passenger. This is considered as a missing baggage. As airline has misplaced the baggage somewhere, the airline is liable to locate the baggage and is also liable to get the baggage delivered to you at the residence, or if it is convenient for you, you can come and collect the baggage at the airport. This is a layman's explanation about missing baggage. Talking about damaged baggage, just to give you a brief, the term damaged baggage is used when a passenger checks in a baggage at a departure station and the baggage is in good condition, and on arrival the baggage is received in a damaged condition. Maybe a handle is broken, or it is torn from a side, or it can be many other conditions in which the baggage is damaged, or the contents of the baggage are damaged. So in such cases, airlines are liable for a compensation. Based on the airline you're flying, you will either be compensated in the form of cash. There are fixed compensations based on the airline you take, or there are airlines which compensate you by replacing the damaged baggage, or they will allow you to settle the compensation in any other form, in the form where the airline suitable. So going a little more detail in the missing or damaged baggage case, when a passenger reports a missing baggage or a damaged baggage at the arrival point, the staff allotted by the airline for the arrival duties fills in a complaint. The complaint, as per the airline terminology, it's called the property irregularity report. This property irregularity report has the basic details of the passengers, and this is in a very standard format. This is an IATA format. IATA is a governing body of airline regulations. So the staff fills in a property irregularity report. They collect the details of the passengers, the name, the flight which they've arrived on, the supporting documents. If it's a missing baggage, they take the details of the baggage, the color of the baggage, the make, the brand name, the details of the contents of the baggage. If there are any unique identifiable objects about the baggage, any particular thing which will help stand out, because it is necessary to understand, when you're flying from busy airports, you will have thousands of passengers flying, and you will have hundreds of similar looking bags. So to identify your baggage more easily, it is in the benefit of the traveler to have some unique identifiable marks on your baggage. What we've seen, some certain passengers try and have different colored bags which are not very common, which can be easily identified. They'll try and have some markings made on the baggage which will be able to identify easily, or they will tie some colored ribbons which will help us locate the baggage, and the color stands out really. So these are the kind of details which the staff collect from the passenger, and they send out a alert across their network to locate if this baggage is lying at any other city. And once the baggage is located, the baggage is shipped to the passenger, and on the delivery of the baggage, the passenger gives an acknowledgement of the property irregularity report to the person who is delivering the baggage. This is in case of a missing baggage. In case of a damaged baggage, on arrival of a flight, after the passenger arrives into the arrival hall, collects the baggage and realizes the baggage is in a damaged condition, the passenger contacts the staff of the airline who is allocated the arrival hall, reports the complaint. Based on the airline rules and regulations, the complaints are taken. Certain airlines do not take complaints for small damages, scratches, slight handle broken bags. Certain airlines do contact the respective airline to know the guidelines. So based on their guidelines, they take the complaint. Again, they fill a property irregularity report which describes the baggage description, the description of the damage, and the contact information of the passenger. The passenger leaves with the baggage. In case the baggage is damaged beyond carriage, airlines do have a replacement bag for temporary use. They give that replacement bag to the passenger. Passenger leaves the baggage at the airport and moves with the replacement baggage. This damaged baggage is repaired, delivered to the passenger's residence, and they collect the replacement baggage. So in case the replacement baggage is not taken, the vendor of the airline goes to the passenger's residence, collects the baggage, repairs it, and delivers it back. Certain airlines also have fixed vendors, so the passengers are advised to contact the vendors, and the vendors will get the baggage repaired. So this is a gist about how a missing or a damaged baggage complaint is handled for a airline travel. Hope I've explained. If you have any questions, please let me know. I'm happy to help you. Thank you.